Daddy's not on there, but we're gonna send it to him, okay? Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
He's gonna hear you because I'm gonna send him this video of you. You tell him about what we did and if we're having fun. Are you having fun?
No.
You're not having fun with your Play-Doh? Do you miss him? Do you miss Daddy? Yeah. Do you miss Addie?
Who's my sister?
You miss your sister? Yeah.